Come on, Bodie. Come on, Bodie. No, you're not going to catch a squirrel today. No, no squirrels. Bodie, come on. Come on, Bodie. Oh, are you done with it, Bodie, huh? Are you done with it? I'm gonna get it, huh? Bodie. No, they don't have treats over there for you. Bodie, come. Come on, Bodie, let's go. Let's go. Bodie, Bodie. No, Bodie, come. Bodie, come. No. No. Bodie, look, do you want it? Do you want it, huh? No. Yeah, so Bodie and I, we got here a little bit earlier than we did yesterday. Today we got here at 4:20. As you can probably see, it's empty in here. Only dogs over there on the little dog side. So yeah, we did go to the little dog side. We did go there last week. That's the video with the cat. And then there's also a chicken in that video. Both of them in the dog park. So I'll put a link to that one in case you haven't seen it, because the cat thing just blew my mind that somebody bring a cat to the dog park, but they did. Bodie, come. Yeah, I just imagined so many things going wrong with that. So, and I'm not sure why the people brought a cat, but they did. I'm not sure why the girl brought a chicken, but she did. So yeah, a lot of things could have went wrong that day. Hey, Bodie, come on. Bodie, look. You want this one? I guess I'll get your rope toy, huh? Okay, so I got your rope toy. Do you want your rope toy? No. Come on, Bodie. Bodie, look. Bodie, come. Bodie, come. No? Okay. So there's a ball over here. Maybe Bodie will want to chase the ball. Right now he just wants to smell around the dog park, see if he could find something. So maybe he'll want to chase this. Bodie! Bodie, look! Bodie, look! Get it! Good boy, Bodie. Good boy. Uh-oh. Okay, his nose caught something, I guess. That's why he turned all of a sudden. All right, you want me to throw it again? I guess that's a yes. You're sitting down, right? Yeah? Ready? Get it. Hey, don't leave it over there. Now, instead of him fetching, I'm the one who's fetching. Hey. Okay, I'm going to throw it to you one more time, Bodie. Ready? 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 Get it. Good boy, Bodie. Good boy. Good boy. boy, do you want me to throw it again? Since you brought it back, maybe I'll throw it again, huh? So yeah, unfortunately, I can't really do a tug of war with him or even throw this that much because yeah, my shoulder and back and then sometimes my neck has been acting up as a result of the injury and then the dog running into me and all of that. So in case you didn't see the dog run into me, I'll put a link for that one at the end of this one. I believe it's titled "Don't Let Your Dog Do This," and it's a golden retriever. So yeah, I'll put a link. That dog just, I mean, full sprint into me. Yeah, and launched itself. So I've had dogs jump on me, but not like that where it was like a full sprint and then launching. Bodhi, come on, this way. Let's go. You want the ball? No. Bodhi, come. Bodhi, come. Bodhi, come. Look. Come on. Come on. Get it. Good boy, Bodhi. Good boy. Come on, let's go. Hey, no, this way. Walk with me. Hey, no, this way. Come on. Good boy, Bodhi. Hey, stay with me. Come on. So since there aren't any dogs in here, I just figure, hey, no. I figure I'll take the time to do some training with Bodhi. Hey, this way now. So I just want him to follow me around, stay at my side. Hey, no, come on. Hey, this way now. Yeah, so I just want him to stay at my side and follow me around. Hey, no, come on. Yeah, so I'm just going to practice this with him. Hopefully this isn't boring for you guys. So yeah, we practice this at home sometimes. Hey, slow down. I don't want him getting up ahead of me. But yeah, we practice it at home. Hey, come on, this way, now. Hey. Yeah, we practice at home, and then there's a video. I guess I'll put a link for that video too. Hey, this way. Where we actually do this in a crowded dog park. So yeah, back then I was working on Bodhi's training more, but then I kind of slacked off. I got busy with the channel and yeah, I wasn't keeping up with his training as much. Hey, sit. Good boy. All right, walk with, hey, no, walk with me. Come on. Hey, this way, now, no. Walk with me, come on. Good boy. Hey, walk with me. So hopefully I'm getting this filmed because it's a little bit difficult to hold the camera across my body like this and try to catch Bodhi. Yeah, hopefully more dogs will show up later. So it's not 5 o'clock yet, but I have a feeling that maybe at 5 p.m. that's when they'll start coming in. Hey, so the treat guy is here. Hey, that's going to be a temptation for Bodhi. Yeah. Oh man, oh. Okay, so that was my fault. I should cut Bodhi off. He lost his concentration. Thank you. Appreciate it, Tony. No, hey, Hey, no, no. Okay, I'm just gonna set this down over here. Hey, Bodhi, sit. Yeah, he's lost concentration. Let me try to get him back. No, Bodhi, come. Hey, sit. Shh. This way, walk with me. Shh. Hey. Yeah, so he's trying to go out ahead. I don't want him to do that. Hey, shh. No. Walk with me. No. No. I don't want him sniffing the ground, so. Hey. No. Good boy. Walk with me. Come on. Good boy, Bodhi. Good boy. Hey, sit. Good boy. Walk with me. Walk with me. Hey, this way. This way. Good boy, Bodhi. Good boy. Hey, no. Walk with me. Hey, sit. Good boy, Bodhi. Good boy. Stay. Walk with me. Hey, walk with me. Good boy. Hey, no. 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 So those dogs are acting up over there. It's giving his attention. So, hey, this way. Walk with me. No. 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 So yeah, so there's a fuss going on next door with the little dogs. And yeah, so Bodhi was obviously trying to pay attention to that. But yeah, I don't know if Bodhi will ever be an off-leash dog. Hey, because his hunting drive is just so strong. So the moment he sees a squirrel, hey, or a cat or anything small, he's going after it. So hey, hey, no, sit. Sit. Good boy. Stay. So I'm going to release him from this because we've got more dogs coming in. But yeah, this is the type of training I like to do with them from time to time. Like I said, hey, no, no, stay. I did slack off with him for a while, so we're trying to get back into it. All right, Bodhi, go. Hello, how are you doing? Oh, hi. You're the only other person that's come up here in like the last 40 minutes. Yep. Bodhi, come. Let's go. Not that way. Come on, Bodhi. Let's go. This way. Bodhi, come. Good boy, Bodhi. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Up. Up, Bodhi. Good boy. Good boy. Sit. Sit. Shh. No. Good boy. Stay. Stay. Okay, so we're going to put a wrap on this video. We apologize that there weren't really any dogs in here, at least not till the end. But we hope you found this video interesting. If you aren't subscribed, please subscribe. We'd love to have you. And please make sure you have that notification bell on because more videos are coming soon. Also, we want to thank everyone who watches the ads that helps support Bodhi. And those of you who've pressed the thanks button and have donated to Bodhi, we truly appreciate it. And those of you also play Bodhi's playlist, many of you have said that Bodhi's playlist entertains your dog. So if your dog is lonely, has anxiety, you might want to try Bodhi's playlist because a lot of people have said that it helps their dogs. Also, if you leave a comment or question, make it kind of short. we will try to include it in a future video. And let's see here. If you have your own YouTube channel, that's right. If you have your own YouTube channel, please say so in the comments. And also maybe a short description. And we will try to shout you out in a future video. And before we go, we want to read off a few names of people who left comments on previous videos. Naoko Okada, really appreciate you. So nice to see your name in the comment section again. Hope you're doing well. Cal Cobb. Nina Williams, hope you're doing well, you and the grandchildren. Lori Love, always appreciate you. Thank you so much for commenting on so many of Bodhi's videos and watching so many. T-Bucks, Diane, always appreciate you. Appreciate you and Marshall. Hope you guys are doing well. Michelle Climus, I've been seeing your name recently in the comments. Truly appreciate you watching and leaving comments. Anna G, always appreciate you showing up on so many videos and watching. I think this is Mark Sharo or Maro Sharo, I think. Appreciate you watching. Cheryl B, thank you. Always appreciate you watching and leaving so many comments. We hope everyone is doing well, and we hope we'll see you right here on the next episode of Bodhi's World. Hopefully we get more dogs in here. So everyone, stay safe and take care.